Morning, humans. It's morning, and I'm inexplicably wide awake.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
Yeah, I have to. What is she doing on the morning show? I have to be at work in an hour. I have to hang my shirts and just things that I need to get done are like going through my head. It's like, I gotta get this done and this done. It does not look like I'll be mowing today. It's supposed to rain. Seriously? Nail polish? Stop. Everything stop. It's gonna rain. Great. Just what I want to hear. My yard really needs mowed. Yeah, I gotta go. Finish getting ready. Fun, and eat my breakfast. But it's a short day today, which that is awesome. It is, really is. Yeah.
Moved.
Look, oh my god, it's moving. No, don't let it move. What's this? I got a kitty! Oh, kitty!
Fuck you people!
I got a kitty!
Come here!
No, I'm going.
Fuck you people!
Hi! Hi!
Oh man, it looks good kill!
Hi!
You must die.
Hi! Hi! Oppa! Oppa!
Come on, my prince.
Isn't Kitty just adorable? Isn't she just? It's 1:30. Been home for a little bit. Just getting comfy and such. I need to play some Minecraft. Why is my mouse not working? I think I need to change the battery. Maybe I just need to sync it again. See if that works. Connect. Not working. Well, that blows. Oh no, to fix my mouse. So I'm gonna go do that. And like I said, I gotta play some Minecraft because I have no video to upload today since I did that very noobish thing, you know, the other day. But yeah, I'm gonna do my things. I'm lazy. I was gonna mow, but it's gonna rain. Isn't that lovely? Not really. It's not lovely at all. It sucks. Will it happen again? Will it happen again? I have not heard a really good thunderstorm yet this year. Mostly because I'm knocked out asleep when it happens. Come on. It just, come on, give me a thunder roll. Not a train, a thunder roll. Come on. Just fucking train. Ruins the thunder roll. I have not heard a thunderstorm. Good thing I didn't mow. It's 4 o'clock, by the way. So it's 3 hours after I got off of work. I would not have gotten much mowed. I can tell you that right now. Give me another one. Come on. Come on. No. No. Man, I want another thunder roll. I know as soon as I turn this camera off, it'll happen. I'm gonna I'm part of it. Please. Please. Okay, bye. There was a very brief thunderstorm. And it was done in a flash. I had my cat on my lap for a while. It's 9:30. I recorded 3 episodes for my Minecraft series. Have to edit the one that I'm gonna upload today and render and export it and all that stuff. But the last episode, I forgot. I got so excited and I got so into it, I forgot to set my timer. So that one next Monday is gonna be a long one. But I'm set for next week and the end of this week. But I'm gonna take a break. Oh my god. Because I drank too much tea and now I have to, oh, you know. So I'm gonna go. I don't know what. I just thought I should check in since, you know, playing Minecraft for way too long. Way too long. So I'm gonna take a computer break. Because I played after I finished recording for like another half an hour. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm so tired. It's only 10:30 and something's going on with YouTube that like it's queued my Minecraft video and I'm thinking just upload. They're like, it's in read mode only. I'm like, please just upload. Don't tell me, you know, it's not gonna upload. Has been queued and will be processed as soon as possible. Process now! Oh my god. No. Don't do this to me. Please don't. This just, yeah. That sucks. That sucks. I saw that. I had a video that, because I'm on my other channel, I don't know who I have to watch and who I don't have to watch. Maybe I'll just go on Facebook for a spell and just mindlessly stare at things. Oh my god. So I've just spent the last several hours just sitting here, I think since 8 o'clock, sitting here in Minecraft and then uploading, and hopefully it processes, but YouTube's is acting weird. I think they're like doing something. It's taking forever for that video to process. I don't know. I'm going to say goodnight to you guys because I want to take my shower now. So I'm done with it by the time the Late Late Show with Craig Ferguson comes on, because he's gonna have Tom Felton on, and I'm obsessed with all things Harry Potter, including Tom Felton. See, in my way, perfect world, Hermione ends up with Draco, just because Emma Watson and Tom Felton would make a hot couple. But he's dating someone else, and she's doing I don't know what. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Night!
If I was a guy, I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls to dance. Yeah!